Now today I am going to teach 1E exercise. Now 1E exercise, first of all, draw the number line, mark this first, 1E. First, 1E exercise, number line. Now here the numbers are what given? 3 upon 4, 7 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4 and minus 7 upon 4. This is the question, right? Now whenever you should know first, you should know this one, denominators. In the denominator, how many numbers is the number is 4. First write here 0, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it is 4 number, this is A. Right? Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is A dash. Left side. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, B. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, B dash. Now first number is 3 upon 4. So count this here, 1, 2, 3. So first number is 3 upon 4. Second is 7 upon 4. Count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7 upon 4. Now this negative side is always on the left side. So minus 3 upon 4. So 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 upon 4. Second is this one, minus 7 upon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 7 upon 4. This is the answer in number line. Now 1E exercise, second sum. Now draw on the number line, mark the points. First 2 upon 3, minus 8 upon 3, 7 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3 and minus 2. Right? Now in the denominator number are 3. So in this number line we have to first this write 1, 2, 3, A. 1, 2, 3, B. 1, 2, 3, A dash. 1, 2, 3, B dash. Right? Because denominator 3, so division is always 3. If denominator is 4, there is 4 divisions. Right? Now first 2 upon 3. The right side 1, 2. 2 upon 3. Second is minus and negative the left side. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write this 2 also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8 upon 3. Now 7 upon 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 upon 3. Right? Minus 2 upon 3 to the left side. 1 and 2. Minus 2 upon 3. And 2 is minus. So this one is 1 and 2. This is the minus 2. Right? B dash. The number line is completed. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Insert the one rational number between. Now first 7 and 8. Now in this you have to do first 7 and plus of this. Do both plus divided by 2 and 8. So 8 plus 7 is what? 15 upon 2. Right? 15 upon 2 is 7. 7.5 into 8. This is the answer. So 7.5 is the one, insert one rational number. Right? Insert it. Now, second sum. So, for second, 3.5 and 5. Now you have to write the first 3.5. So first of all do both addition and then divide by 2 upon 2 and is 5. So 3.5 do both addition is 8.5 upon 2. So divide 2 4 2 7 2 3 are 6 and 2 3.5 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 8. 4.25 and 5. So inserted one rational number is 4.25. Now second. Now third one. 2 and 3.2. तो 2 plus 3.2 upon 2 and 3.2 2. So this one is 5.2 upon 2 3.2. Addition is this 2 plus 3.2 and the addition is 5.2. So 2 2.6 3.2. This is the third one. Understood? Next, fourth one. Fourth one, 4.2 and 3.6. So 4.2 plus 3.6 upon 2 and 3.6. 4.2. So is 7.8 upon 2 and 3.6. 4.2, 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 2, 2 9s are 18 and 3.6. So here this one. Rational number is 3.9. Inserted rational number is 3.9. Complete. This is the second. I mean fifth. 1 upon 2 and 2. Now in this 1 upon 2, first of all, 1 upon 2. So this 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2, comma, here 2. So 1 upon 2, here you have to write this 1 plus 4 upon 2 and here 2. So here you have to write 1 upon 2, 5 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 2. So the answer is 1 upon 2, 5 upon 4 and 2. So 5 upon 4 is the rational number. Insert it. Now, fourth question. Insert two rational numbers between this 6 and first number 1, 6 and 7. First of all, previous method, what is we have done? 6 plus 7 upon 2 plus and divide by 2. 6 plus 7, 13 upon 2, 6, 6.5. First number is you got 6.5. Now another you have to add these two. So 6 plus 6.5 upon 2 and then 6.5 and 7. So you have to write here 12.5 upon 2, 6.5 and 7. So 6.25, 6.5 and 7 is the two rational numbers 6.25 and 6.5. What we have to do? First these two plus divide by 2, you get first rational number 6.5. Now you have to add these two, right? So you add these two upon 2. First number is second, third and fourth. So 6 plus 6.5 is 12.5. 12.5 upon 2 divide 12.5 divided by 2 to 6.25. The two rational numbers 6.25 and 6.5. Fourth question. Fourth का first. Now fourth second. Fourth second sum. 4.8 and 6. So 4.8. Now you have to add this 4.8 plus 6 upon 2. Right? So 4.8. Now addition of this is 8. 12.8 upon 2. So 12.8 here. Fourth 4.8, yes. So this is 10.8, sorry. So 4.8, 5.4 and 6. Right? Now first in the first rational number you got 5.4. Now second one, for this addition of 2 to 4.8 comma 4.8 plus 5.4 upon 2. This is 5.4 and 6. Right? So 4.8 addition of these two 10.2 upon 2 5.4 and 6. So the rational number is 4.8, 5.1, 5.4 and 6. So these two are the rational numbers we want. 5.1 and 5.4. Now third one. Third one is the question is 2.7 and 6.3. 2.7, 6.3. So addition of 2.7. So 2.7 plus 6.3 upon 2, 6.3. So 2.7 addition of this 7 plus 3 0, 9.0 upon 2, 6.3. So 9.0 upon 2 is 4.5. Right? Now these two addition, right? 2.7, the 2.7 plus 4.5 upon 2, 4.5 and 6.3. The 2.7 addition of these two 9.2 upon 2, 4.5, 6.3. So another rational number is 2.7, 2 4s are 8. Then here is the 5 plus 2, 7, either 8, sorry, 7.72, 72, right. There is a 3.6, 4.5 and 6.3. So the two rational numbers are 3.6 and 4.5. The third question is completed. Now move on to fifth question. First one. Insert the three rational numbers. First one rational, second में two rational, now three rational numbers. Three rational numbers first. 3 upon 3 and 4. Now 3. So 3 plus 4 upon 2. Right? So 3 and 7 upon 2. So first one is 3.5 and 4. Now what you have to do for the second and third? You have to both add these two and third add these two divide by 2 and the first this. So 3 plus 3.5 upon 2. So you will get 6.5 upon 2, right? Then 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3. So first is 3.5. Now the two rational number you got 3.25 and 3.5. Now you have to find third one also, right? So 3.25. Now 3.5. And in this first 3.5 plus 4 upon 2 and 4. 3.25, 3.5. Now here is 7.5 upon 2 and 4. Then 3.25, 3.5, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2.3. So these are the three rational numbers. First 3.25, 3.5 and 3.75 is the answer. Now fifth completed. Now sixth sum. Sixth sum. Sixth one. Insert the five rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon. Now here the method is different. 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Insert 5 rational numbers, right? So what you have to do, first of the 5, the LCM of this 5 and 3. 3 upon 5, LCM is 15, right? So multiply by 3 and 2 upon 3 multiply by 5. So 9 upon 15 and here 10 upon 15, right? Now your question is what? You have to find 5 rational numbers. 5. So for this here. Now since we require 5 rational numbers, so multiply numerator and denominator by the 5 rational numbers ना, तो multiply by 5 plus 1, it is 6 से multiply, both numerator and denominator multiply by 6, तो ये 9 upon 15 multiply by 6 6, 10 upon 15 multiply by 6 6, so you will get 54 upon 60, and here you will get 60 upon 90, 54 upon 90. So the rational numbers between these two numbers are the answer. Now between 54 upon 90 and 60 upon 90, how many numbers? First is answer is 55 upon 90, 56 upon 90, 57 upon 90, 58 upon 90, and 59 upon 90. This is the answer. First of all, LCM, do this LCM. Now you require 5 rational numbers to multiply 5 plus 1. If it is 6 to 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1. Now here you require 5 to 5 plus 1, 6. To multiply by 6, 6 to 54 upon 90, 60 upon 90. Now this between these two numbers is the 5 numbers, that is the answer. Now cutting down, 11 5s are 18 5s are. So first is answer 11 upon 18. Here also 28 2s are 45 2s are. So 28 upon 45. 57, 19 3s are, and here 30 3s are. So 19 upon 30. Here also 29 2s are, 45 2s are. So 29 upon 45. Here 59 upon 90. So this is the answer. Right? Now, 6th question. Understood? All of you? Now 7. Now 7th question. Insert the 6 rational numbers between 5 upon 6 and 8 upon 9. So 5 upon 6 and 8 upon 9. First, LCM, 5 and 6 LCM is 18. So 5 upon 6 multiply by 3 3. 8 upon 9 multiply by 2 2. So 15 upon 18 and 16 upon 18. Right? Now you require how many rational numbers? 6. So 6 rational numbers are required. So multiply by 6 plus 1 is 7. Right? So 15 upon 18 multiply by 7 7. 16 upon 18 multiply by 7 7. So 105 upon 126 and 112 126. Now between these two numbers 105 112 are the rational answers. So first 105, so 106 upon 126, 107 upon 126, 108, 109, 110 and 111. So first rational number cutting down, after cutting down 53 upon 63. Second, there is no cutting. Third one, there is a cutting of 6 7, 6 upon 7. Here there is no any cutting. 110, it is cutting down 55 twos and 63 twos. 55 upon 63. 111, 37 threes are 37 upon 42. So these are the 6 rational numbers that you got. Now 8th sum. This is the last sum of Now 8th sum. Insert the 7 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Now 2 and 3, right? 7 rational numbers you want. So 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 1 is the answer, right? Now you require 7. So multiply by 7 upon 1, 7 plus 1 will be 8, right? So 2 upon 1 multiply by 8 and 3 upon 1 multiply by 8, right? So 16 upon 8 and is 24 upon 8. So you will get the how many rational numbers between the 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, right? The numbers between 16 and 24. 16 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. These are the 7 rational numbers you got. Now after cutting, there is this one, 9 twos are 4 twos are, no cutting. 2 fours are 5 fours are, there is no cutting. 11 twos are 4 twos are, there is no cutting. Now these are all improper fraction, so convert into the mixed fraction. 2 8s are 16, 1. 4 twos are 8, 1. 19 upon 8, so 8 twos are 16, 3. 5 upon 2 is 2 are 4, 1. Second, 8 twos are 16 and 5. 11, so 4 twos are 8, 3. And 23 upon 8, so this is the 8 twos are 16, 7. So these are the all 7 rational numbers that between them. Hence this completed the 1 year exercise. Bye. All of you have a nice day. Bye.